Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Microsoft Teams for meeting notes automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Microsoft Teams for meeting notes automation, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. If you already have a Microsoft account, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account and click Next. Input your password and click Sign In. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you will need to provide your name, email address, and create a password. After filling in the required fields, click Next to proceed. Verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation message. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Microsoft Teams website and sign in with your new credentials. Once signed in, select the option to set up Microsoft Teams for your organization. Complete the setup process by following the on-screen instructions. After the initial setup, navigate to the Calendar section on the left sidebar. Click on New Meeting to start scheduling a meeting. Fill in the meeting details, including title, date, and time. Invite participants by adding their email addresses in the designated field. In the meeting description, include any agenda items or relevant notes. Before saving, make sure to enable the option for Record Meeting to capture notes automatically. Click on the Save button to finalize your meeting setup. Once the meeting begins, access the meeting chat on the right side of the Teams window. During the meeting, use the Meeting Notes feature located in the toolbar. This feature allows you to type notes or highlight important points in real time. After the meeting concludes, the notes will be saved and accessible for all participants. You can find the notes by selecting the meeting in your calendar. Review and edit the notes as needed before sharing them with others. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Microsoft Teams for meeting notes automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.